Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down again to localize this ringtone section and tap on the ringtone at the top. Here we've got some albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. Both are pre-installed. Here we've got also the option on this device, so if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. Let me choose something from pre-installed ringtones, so for example from the classic ones, and here we've got the list of available ringtones. So just find yours and then tap on it to listen whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like this, maybe Longing, to be set as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and go back. And after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.